Are you missing out the vivid filter on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro or 16 Pro Max? Hey there everyone, welcome back to this guide studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can fix if the vivid filter is not showing up on your iPhone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video, guys. Was not to fix and get back the vivid filter on your iPhone, simply go and open up the settings app from your iPhone and then scroll down, tap on camera. Under this one here you get the formats. You just need to tap on this one, and the camera capture is by default selected with the high efficiency, so you just need to select the most compatible and you're pretty much good to go. You just get back from here and it'll get back the vivid filter. If I open up the camera here and go to the filter option, here you get to see the vivid filter is back. And also if I get back from here and open up the photos app, and if I open up one of my photos here, so let's say I'm gonna picking up this one, and if I go to the edit section here and go to the filter, you'll get to see the vivid filter is also available here. But if you apply this vivid filter to your old photos, all you can do, you can select the vivid filter from here and you can tap on this 3-dot line and just tap on copy edits here and tap on copy, and the edit will be copied from here. Now just get back to your photos again, and from your photos just go ahead and select the photo that you want to apply the vivid filter for. So let's say I'm going to select these photos, so I just want to apply the vivid filter to all these photos, and you just need to tap on this 3-dot line at the bottom right and tap on paste edits right here. And once you do that, you'll get to see the vivid filter is automatically applying to my photos. Now the photo has been applied the vivid filter. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.